Okay, well, we're back. Now the head is a bit difficult. All this is the head part here. So I just start, and usually the head's pretty flat, so I go up here and I just draw a line going across, give me some idea where, and then the back of the head here. See how much I can get this actually drawn. Now, really folks, the hardest part is the bill. You know, and trying to get that up and ready, you know, make it look half decent. It's a little bit too far down. It's gonna have to come down. So, okay. I'm going to fuss with that offline. I'm just going to give you a rough figure right now what it should look like. And then this comes down from underneath here and comes out just like so. Hope you can see that. Okay. So we've got it up and around down to about midway. And then we're going to put some spikes in, or for the feathering. And these all can look a little different. Okay? And then with the flag, all we do is we do the star section there. So I usually off center it somewhere off one of these pieces here, and we'll go across like so. And up. Okay, and we're gonna bring this out a little further, and I want that wave look, so let me try to get that in there. I'm trying to remember how I did this. We did up and down. There we go. Let's redo this. This is not the easiest part. You can take your time doing this, folks. Yeah, have a little bit of a wave there, so we're going to put a couple of lines like this in. Going to make these a little bit shorter. Might be a little harder to paint, but you'll get the idea here. And you follow that same little S pattern for it. Okay, just like so. That looks good. And then we'll extend this down to there. And then we'll do one more right here. Alright? That should do it. Maybe one, well, let's put this down a little further so we don't have to put another one in there. Okay, so that's all about the same size. Alright? See if I got this right now. Okay, so that's our eagle. We're going to go up here, and we're going to go up and around, and this is where his eye will be. Alright. Let me look at the other one for a second. Okay, the eye's got to be out front more. That's not right. Okay, so I'm going to try to fix this up a little bit more to my liking here. Erase that up there. And I bring this up like so. And we'll do that like a half circle right there. And then this comes down and around. Just like so. Okay? That's pretty good. That's what we'll go with. Alright? So that's our eagle pattern. So it's the head. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. How many do I have here? 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's change that, because if you get too many, it becomes too complicated. So let's see if we can do a couple things here a little different. 1, and we're going to stretch this out further, and then 2. Okay, that looks better. So we have 4 here, alright? Alright. Maybe switch that down a little bit. Just like so. Alright, so that looks good. It's where the stars will be. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to outline the head portion. The the flag we can do a little bit later. So the first thing we want to do is we want to take our knife, we're going to put a stop cut right along that whole, see I have it laying on a table, it's just a little bit easier to cut it. You just want to take little snippets out of it because this wood's pretty hard, it's not real soft. So I'll end up doing a couple of different passes on it. Just because it's going to take a little bit longer to cut out. But I'm going to show you here. Now under here I'm just going to do this portion first, all the way down.